today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update WooCommerce. Keeping your WooCommerce plugin up to date is crucial to ensure your online store runs smoothly and securely. An outdated version can lead to vulnerabilities, incompatibilities, or cause you to miss out on new features that can enhance your business performance. Let's walk through the update process, which is simple and easy to include in your regular website maintenance routine. Start by logging into your WordPress admin dashboard. Once you're in, you'll land on the main control panel where you can manage all parts of your website. On the left hand side, you'll see a menu with several management options. One of them is plugins. Click on the plugins section to access your installed plugins list. This page shows every plugin currently active on your WordPress site, including WooCommerce. It's worth getting familiar with this area since plugins play a vital role in extending your website's functionality. Now, scroll through your list or use the search bar to find WooCommerce. Once you locate it, check if an update is available. If there's a new version ready, you'll see an Update Now option next to the WooCommerce plugin. You might also see a notification banner at the top of the page reminding you that updates are available. When you're ready, simply click on Update Now. WordPress will automatically begin downloading and installing the latest version of WooCommerce. This process usually takes just a few moments. While the update is running, it's very important not to close your browser or navigate away from the page. Interrupting an update midway could cause errors or incomplete installations. When the update finishes, you'll see a confirmation message that WooCommerce has been successfully updated. And that's it. Your WooCommerce plugin is now up to date. Keeping your plugins current is one of the best ways to maintain your site's stability and security. Regular updates ensure that you have the latest performance improvements, new tools, and essential security patches, helping your store stay fast, safe, and customer-friendly. Thank you for watching. If this guide helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and check out my other tutorials for more WordPress and WooCommerce tips. See you in the next one.